dolls, it's Kayci here, welcoming you to my world. If you're a regular, then welcome back. If you're new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button for weekly content. So this video is another journey. I did a lot with my room. It went from 0 to 100. I did a lot, and I'm actually really freaking proud of it. So I'm not even gonna say anything else. Like, let's just get into the video footage. Let's do it. Here's James Charles. Just kidding. Okay, so this is my room before, and actually not completely before. There were more things going on, but I just got really tired of the way that my room looks, so I started to like slowly clean things out, and the stuff that I threw out, obviously I threw out, but like everything else just kind of is laying on this windowsill because I didn't want to have this whole shelf like full of shit. But I do have some more miscellaneous stuff here going on. But so basically the plan is that I want to take my TV and move it to this side, and I want to take my bed and move it to that side. And then I also got some pretty cool stuff from Amazon to spice up the room, and I got rid of a lot of stuff. So there's a lot to play with in the room, but first things first is going to be moving these big pieces to the opposite sides, and then dusting whatever dust bunnies live underneath my bed and whatever dust bunnies live underneath this area. So let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm just gonna interject here. There are a lot of points in this video where I'm just cleaning and you get to see me clean. And so feel free to just vibe and jam out while that's going on. You don't, have to stare at me moving all the things. But yeah, just vibe out with me and vibe out with the music. Would not believe there's an actual book stuck to the back of my wall. Hold up, I gotta show you this. I moved the bed and there's a book suspended in midair, just like, what is going on? Also, look at that. That's a lot of fucking dust bunnies, yo. Anyways, all right, I shall get back to it, as they say. Okay, humanoids, I thought that I felt myself moving my bed and vacuuming that section, but apparently I didn't, which is fine. My phone is just high on crack cocaine sometimes. But I was just looking at everything that I have to do and how it's so much and how I film stuff on my phone, and I just think it makes more sense for me to make all the big movements off camera, and then you can see me decorate everything and make it look so aesthetically pleasing. So the heavy lifting is finally done. I moved my bed and my TV stand, also moved the shelf over here on my dresser, and I still have a lot of finishing touches to do. So I'll just show you how the rest of the room looks when I'm ready to like do the collages and all that stuff. But right now I'm going to assemble this brand new dirty clothes bin. The atmosphere charting the stratosphere. Hold on. Let me shift it so you guys can see a little bit better. So this is, let's do that. This is the hamper so far. Yes, she looks quite adorable. You when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for
brown, that's black.
That's black and that's black. The fridge
This
is black.
is brown.
The fridge is black, Mom.
That fridge is fucking brown.
Mother,
bro.
the fridge is black.
Bro!
The fridge is black! Look at the TV and look at the fridge. You're gonna tell me they're not the same exact color?
They're not the same. That's black, that's brown.
That is black!
Are you kidding me?
Boy, look. I'll show you. This right here,
Brown.
brown. Does that look like it's the same color?
Yes.
No, this is black.
That's brown.
This is black! My dad bought me a black mini fridge. I was there when I went shopping with him. The color was black. There is no brown mini fridge. It's either black, silver, or white. There's no brown. It's black. Trying to tell me what? It's brown like this freaking shelf? You bugging. Huh, and crack cocaine.
That shit is
That
brown.
shit is black! You're making me lose my marbles!
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's
Dance with me, dance with me, dance with me, oh.
why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
I chimed in with a haven't you people ever heard of? Closing the goddamn door. No. Yes! Close the door. Open the door. Close the door. Open the door. Close the door. Open the door.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give.
I usually don't use the robot voice, but I'm gonna use it now. My phone died, and so a lot of what I did was unfortunately done off camera. Again, I'm sorry, my phone is constantly snorting cocaine.
Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give. Oh my God!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 da
yeah, guys, so this is pretty much the end of my video. I know that sometimes my shots were a little crooked and disoriented. Sorry, but you get the point. That is how my room looks. Also, if you were in here in person, some of the things that I hung up aren't perfectly straight. I mean, even the TV stand isn't perfectly straight, but it's okay. That's character. That is my charm. So we're fine. If you have made it this far, then comment a purple heart emoji because that is the color of the wall behind me. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back again next week. Bye, baby dolls.
It was cold at night when you came into my troubles all night.